At 3:30 in the afternoon on a Thursday of my choosing, my consciousness was removed and then returned to me by somebody with the knowledge of how to do it. It was turned off and then turned back on with the timing precision of a light switch or a water faucet. I ended up being out for 25 minutes for the procedure. One moment I was lying on my side in the fetal position, counting down numbers backwards from 10, and then immediately following that, the very next moment in my conscious experience, I was sitting up in the same bed and I was looking around a room I'd never seen before, and a nurse I'd never seen before was welcoming me back. It was weird. It was instantaneous, sort of like time travel. I had 25 minutes with essentially no mind. I wouldn't even know that those 25 minutes existed except for the discrepancies in my perceptual experience leading up to the procedure and then right after. And also because of more objective information I have access to, coming from sources of evidence that are outside my subjective experience. This is actually profound, and I think it goes really underappreciated by a lot of people. We humans know exactly which brain systems to hit, with which chemicals, for what durations, in what dosages, to control anyone's consciousness. This phenomenon is the very definition of a causal relationship. This is done more than 100,000 times a day all over the world with trivial effort, concern, or uncertainty. We don't understand everything about the biological basis of the human mind, but we know a lot, and I think we know a lot more than a lot of people realize. This isn't a philosophical assertion. This is a system of biological mechanisms fully framed within the purview of scientific inquiry and knowledge. This all comes from the study of human systems and cognitive neuroscience. Consciousness is not universal or fundamental to everything. I've been reading and hearing this a lot recently. Lamps are not conscious. Consciousness is a continuous stream of perceptual and reflective awareness. It's an emergent property of the coordinated action of large-scale neural systems in the brain, just like attention, memory, language, emotions, artistic expression, and all the other seemingly magical things that our brains can do. Lungs do respiration, hearts do circulation, and brains do cognition.